Joy is defined as a deep, enduring sense of contentment and well-being. Happiness is often triggered by external events and is a fleeting emotion. Joy is an internal state cultivated over time. Unlike happiness, joy is not dependent on external circumstances. Cultivating joy involves practices such as gratitude, mindfulness, and connection. Joy provides a foundation for resilience and overall well-being. Modern society often equates happiness with material possessions and instant gratification. This misconception overlooks the importance of inner peace and genuine connection. The pursuit of temporary highs fails to provide lasting fulfillment. This leads to a cycle of seeking fleeting pleasures. A new purchase provides a temporary spike in dopamine, creating fleeting excitement. A quiet, mindful moment fosters a deeper sense of calm and contentment. The excitement of a new purchase is transient, quickly returning to a baseline state. Mindful moments cultivate sustained well-being, promoting long-term emotional stability. Contrasting temporary spikes with sustained calm reveals different paths to happiness. Daily habits and routines unconsciously shape an individual's capacity for joy. Negative habits, such as excessive social media use, correlate with increased anxiety and reduced contentment. Positive habits, including regular exercise, can enhance overall well-being and foster joy. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, contribute to a greater sense of calm and joy. Consciously cultivating positive habits is essential for improving long-term happiness and life satisfaction. Mindful intention is essential for cultivating a joyous life. Consciously choosing activities that align with personal values shapes one's inner landscape. Thoughts and actions promoting well-being contribute to a positive inner state. Actively shaping the inner landscape leads to a more fulfilling and joyous existence. Digital minimalism involves intentionally reducing screen time. Digital minimalism involves intentionally curating online interactions. Reducing screen time reduces mental noise. Reducing screen time increases clarity. Digital minimalism frees up time for activities that bring genuine joy. Strong, authentic relationships are foundational to lasting joy. Meaningful connections with others provide support, love, and a sense of belonging. Support from relationships acts as a buffer against stress and adversity. Love within relationships fosters emotional security and reduces feelings of isolation. A sense of belonging provides a stable foundation for self-esteem and confidence. A sense of purpose is essential for achieving deep satisfaction in life. Engaging in activities that benefit others contributes to a sense of meaning. Alignment with personal values is crucial for experiencing fulfillment. Contributing to something larger than oneself creates a sense of meaning and fulfillment. The combination of purpose and contribution leads to deep, lasting satisfaction. Embracing discomfort and challenges acts as a catalyst for profound inner peace. Stepping outside of one's comfort zone fosters resilience. Pushing oneself to grow builds self-confidence. Resilience and self-confidence ultimately lead to greater contentment. Growth is achieved by consistently facing and overcoming uncomfortable situations. Cultivating gratitude involves consciously focusing on the positive aspects of life. Keeping a gratitude journal can enhance feelings of joy and contentment. Expressing appreciation to others fosters positive emotions and strengthens relationships. Savoring simple moments allows for a deeper appreciation of everyday experiences. Practicing gratitude can lead to increased overall well-being and happiness. Consistent gratitude practices can shift focus from what is lacking to what is already present. Emotional intelligence enables individuals to navigate setbacks without losing their core joy. Understanding and managing personal emotions is a key component of emotional intelligence. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is crucial for emotional intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence builds resilience, enabling quicker recovery from adversity. Strengthening relationships is a direct benefit of enhanced emotional intelligence. Savoring simple moments involves paying attention to and appreciating the ordinary experiences of life. Mindfully enjoying a cup of coffee can transform an ordinary moment into an extraordinary memory. Taking a walk in nature allows for mindful appreciation of the environment, enhancing sensory experiences. Spending time with loved ones fosters connection and transforms ordinary interactions into cherished memories. Implementing a daily gratitude practice involves writing down 3 things one is grateful for each day. This practice shifts focus towards positive aspects of life, fostering an optimistic mindset. Regular gratitude journaling enhances feelings of contentment and overall well-being. Gratitude practice can be easily integrated into a daily routine for consistent emotional benefits. Consistent gratitude expression cultivates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing optimistic thoughts and emotions. Emotional regulation involves techniques to manage stress and challenging emotions. Deep breathing exercises are a key component of emotional regulation. Mindfulness practices can help navigate difficult emotions without losing joy. Effective emotional regulation helps maintain a sense of well-being. Consistent practice of emotional regulation techniques enhances resilience. Emotional regulation allows for a balanced and joyful life. Mindful awareness involves paying attention to one's thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice enables observation of one's inner state, fostering self-awareness. Mindful awareness facilitates making conscious choices that support well-being. By cultivating mindful awareness, individuals can improve their overall mental and emotional health. Regular practice of mindful awareness can lead to a greater sense of inner peace and balance. Investing in lasting joy benefits oneself and extends to others. Cultivating inner contentment allows one to radiate positivity. Radiating positivity inspires others to seek their own contentment. Inner joy acts as a catalyst for collective well-being. Sustainable happiness creates a positive feedback loop within communities. Prioritizing lasting joy enriches personal lives and strengthens social bonds. A joy-centric mindset positively influences long-term well-being. Prioritizing joy and contentment is associated with increased longevity. Studies indicate that individuals who focus on joy tend to live healthier lives. Contentment contributes to a more fulfilling life experience. Cultivating joy can lead to a more extended and satisfying life. Embarking on a personal journey towards joy involves committing to small, actionable steps daily. Cultivating gratitude is a fundamental element in the pursuit of a more joyous existence. Building authentic relationships contributes significantly to overall happiness and well-being. Engaging in activities that bring personal joy is essential for a fulfilling life. Consistent focus on these elements fosters a more profoundly joyous existence. Reducing time spent on social media platforms can minimize exposure to unrealistic depictions of happiness. Exposure to curated content often leads to feelings of inadequacy and diminished joy. Limiting social media use can positively impact mental well-being by fostering a more realistic self-perception. Actionable strategies for limiting social media include setting time limits and engaging in alternative activities. Spending time outdoors and engaging with natural environments is an actionable strategy for well-being. Exposure to nature has been shown to reduce stress levels. Engaging with nature increases feelings of happiness. Time spent in natural environments promotes overall mental well-being. Studies support the benefits of nature on mental health, confirming its positive impact. Practicing forgiveness involves releasing resentment towards oneself and others. Holding on to resentment and anger can impede the path to inner peace and joy. Forgiveness facilitates the release of negativity, promoting emotional well-being. Forgiveness enables moving forward with a lighter heart, free from the burden of past grievances. Self-forgiveness is equally important for personal growth and emotional healing. The practice of forgiveness contributes to a more positive and harmonious state of mind. Setting unrealistically high expectations can lead to disappointment and hinder progress. Focus on progress rather than perfection to maintain motivation and achieve sustainable growth. Appreciating small victories builds momentum and reinforces positive habits. Realistic expectations foster a positive mindset and contribute to long-term success. Engaging in acts of kindness, whether big or small, is a beneficial strategy. Helping others provides benefits to the recipients of kindness. Acts of kindness boost the giver's feelings of happiness and fulfillment. Regular acts of kindness contribute to a sustained sense of well-being. Kindness can manifest in various forms, from small gestures to significant actions. Implementing a kindness strategy can lead to a more positive and supportive environment. Allocating time for enjoyable hobbies and interests is crucial for personal well-being. Engaging in passionate activities fosters a sense of joy, purpose, and accomplishment. Hobbies provide an outlet for stress relief and contribute to a balanced lifestyle. Pursuing personal interests enhances creativity and expands one's skill set. Prioritizing sufficient sleep is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook. Self-care activities are essential for cultivating lasting joy and mental well-being. Taking care of physical and mental health is fundamental to overall well-being. Sustained well-being requires consistent attention to both sleep and self-care practices.